Pacloyd Mayweather must slim down to his fighting weight in 3 months. In March 2016, he weighed 150 pounds. In June 2016, he weighed 120 pounds. Find the rate of decrease of his weight. Okay, so let's analyze the problem. So we have given the weight of Pacloyd Mayweather in March 2016 is 150 pounds. So in March 2016, his weight is 150 pounds. And then in June of the same year, 2016, his weight is 120 pounds. So the question is, find the rate of decrease of his weight. So in the choices, we have pounds per month. So we want to find the rate of decrease in per month. Okay, so all we have to do is just find the decrease of this. Just subtract 150 minus 120. So that is equal to 30. So the total decrease of the weight is 30 pounds. But we want to find the decrease per month. So from March to June, there are 3 months. So we have March, April, May, and then June. So after 3 months, March to June is 3 months. Okay? So therefore, just divide this into 3. So 30 pounds divided by 3 months, that is equal to 10 pounds per month. So the correct answer is 10 pounds per month, letter D. Follow me for more content like this.